Hi everyone. Let us start with algebra exercise 3.3 and question number 9 today. So determine the value of m if x plus 3 is a factor. So if when a word factor is there, you have to do the factor theorem. So let us have a quick recap of this. As per factor theorem, if x plus a is a factor of p of x, then p of minus a is equal to 0. Which means if your x plus a, you have to first equate it to 0. Then what you will get is x is equal to minus a. So you can take this minus a and put it in your p of a and equate it to 0. That gives your answer for your factors. So with this quick recap, let us move on to our question. So in this question, we are given a polynomial and a factor and you have to find the value of m. So let us start our solution. Our solution is p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus mx plus 24. So this is your p of x. And what you have to find? To find the value of m. So these are the things you have to infer from the questions. Value of m, and then let us given. What is given again? One more is given. What is given is x plus 3 is a factor of what? Of your p of x. So these are the steps which is given. So with this, let us start our solution. So as per the factor theorem, by factor theorem, you can write it as p of minus 3 is equal to 0. How I got this minus 3? Yes, just take your factor and equate it to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to minus 3. That's how I am given here. So let us put this minus 3 in our this polynomial. So be very careful when you apply this. So when you apply this, minus 3 the whole cube minus 3 into minus 3 the whole square minus m into minus 3 plus 24 is equal to 0. So this is your first line we inferred. Now we will start solving this solution. So what happens here is, we have to be very thorough with your symbols and formulas, okay? Is equal to 0. So now what happens is, let us solve this one by one. Minus 3 the whole cube. So what that will be? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So that will be minus into minus is a plus. So that will be a plus 9. And 9 into minus 3 will be equal to minus of 27, because minus into a plus. So here we can directly write it as this is minus 27. Now if you take this, we have got a minus here and a minus 3 outside. Let me do it separately. Minus 3 into minus 3 the whole square. This will be equal to minus 3, keep it as such, minus 3 into minus 3. Right? So this becomes, so if you could see closer look, what happens here is minus into minus. First you have to solve this. Minus into minus is a plus and 3 into 3 is a 9. So minus 3 into 9. So which is again minus and plus here. So minus 27. So do very careful when you do this calculation. So what we can write here is, instead of this full, we have solved there, that is your minus 27. And minus of, here you have got a minus and here you have got a plus. So the minus. So that both will become a minus into minus is plus, and a 3 plus 24 is equal to a 0. Now let us solve this. Now we have got three numbers, minus 27 and plus 24. So minus 27 and minus 27. What is this? Both are minus. So you have to add the numbers and put the minus sign. 7 plus 7 is 4, 14, and 1 is 5 here. So that will be a minus 54. and you have got your 3m, and plus your 24 is equal to a 0. Now next what happens is you have to keep this 3m as such because we can't do any manipulations with 3m. And now your 54 and your 24 plus 24. So minus 54 and plus 24. What happens here? Negative symbol is there because sign, so put that and add this. So what happens is you can't add here, you have to subtract because both are different signs. So if you subtract 4 minus 4 is 0, 5 minus 2 is a 3. Okay, so that will be a minus 30 which is equal to 0. Now we are going to conclude our question. Let us do it carefully. You keep your 3m as such and take your minus 30 to the other side. 0, that becomes a plus 30. On the side of the equation, it becomes a plus 30. And now m is equal to 30 divided by 3 and m is equal to a 10. So finally, what we have got as our answer is m is equal to 10. So this is how we arrived at your answer. So while writing your answer, please give us m is equal to 10. So let us have a quick recap of what we have done. First of all, we have to check your question. In the question, what is given? So what is given is you are given a p of x. So the p of x is x cube and this p of x, and one more is x plus 3 is a factor. These are given. So x plus 3 is a factor of p of x. You have to find the value of m. So these are the things you have to infer from your or observe from your questions. Then apply the factor theorem. So as per the factor theorem, p of minus 3 is equal to 0, which is got by equating your factor to 0. So you got this, apply this and do all the calculations slowly and carefully, minus, plus, multiplication, addition, everything, and get your answer. Finally, your answer is m is equal to 10. Hope you understood this question, and you will give a clear slide of this in the previous slide. Thanks for watching.